If you need a cleaner with some muscle, PWR-4 Aviation Degreaser is for you. Nothing on the market is more powerful than PWR-4 Aviation Degreaser. Most aviation cleaners spray only a few feet. So to clean an aircraft engine after opening the cowling, you have to climb a ladder, you have to reach down, you have to spray around. It makes cleaning very, very tough. And to reach from the bottom, impossible. PWR-4 Aviation Degreaser has a 10-foot spray that allows you to clean the toughest greases and hydraulic fluids from hard-to-reach places. PWR-4 Aviation Degreaser has the safety of a non-flammable solvent, but is strong enough to blast off the most common aviation hydraulic and lubricating fluids like Skydrol. PWR-4 Aviation Degreaser has a much lower toxicity than many competing products because it doesn't contain any solvents like n-propyl bromide or trichloroethylene. Let us help you find the best solution for your operations. Go to techspray.com or reach out to us by email or phone.